Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the ROG Strix Z390E gaming motherboard. Now the motherboard is for an Intel platform because you can see the Z390E. It's compatible with both 8th and 9th generation of the Intel Core desktop processors, and it's one that's targeted towards gamers. So let's open the box. On the inside we see an accessories box on the left hand side and parts of the motherboard on the right hand side. Let's take the accessories box out and see what's on the inside. We find a Wi-Fi antenna because this particular motherboard comes with onboard dual band Wi-Fi built in. So this is the antenna that you'd use in order to make use of that feature. Then we have the motherboard itself on the top tray, so we're going to take that up and put it on the side for later. Underneath that we find the user manual dead center. Always read the user manual, guys. Then there's a coupon code for cable mod in case you want sleeved extension cables that are fancy. Then there's the driver disc, a bunch of stickers to flare things up. You also have some cable organization stickers at the end, a quick start guide in case the user manual was a bit too daunting for you guys. It shows how you can place the CPU as well as install the memory on the board. We'll keep that for side. Then there's a little sticker or rather a card of appreciation for joining the ROG family. Fancy artwork on the back. Then we'll remove this tray and see what's on the bottom. Again, lots of fancy artwork. There's several additional goodies. First off, you have a door hanger in case you want to ward people off while you're gaming, a couple of SATA cables, some more SATA cables, total 4 so far, an SLI bridge in case you're using something prior to the 1000 series NVIDIA cards, a small heatsink fan for your PC edge, cable ties, a thermal probe in case you want to measure temperatures of certain zones, an RGB extension cable, another RGB extension cable, some standoff screws for your M.2 slots, and some additional screws probably for the PCH fan that we saw. Those are all the things that this particular package has. Thank you for watching this particular unboxing of the Asus ROG Strix Z390E gaming motherboard. In case you like this video, please show your appreciation by liking and sharing the video. And while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? Thank you for watching.